Deep in the heart of Mauritius, an island nation kissed by the Indian Ocean, lies a sight that seems almost too magical to be real. This island, known for its pristine beaches and crystal clear waters, holds a secret that goes beyond its coastal beauty. Imagine a landscape painted with broad strokes of vibrant color, a canvas where nature herself wields the brush. Here, the hues are so vivid and varied that they seem to leap off the ground, inviting you to step into a living painting. This is the Seven-Colored Earth of Chamarel, a geological wonder that captivates the eye and stirs the soul. Formed over centuries, this natural phenomenon is a testament to the island's volcanic origins and the intricate dance of minerals beneath the surface. Here, amidst the lush greenery of a tropical paradise, the earth erupts in a symphony of color. The surrounding vegetation only enhances the vibrancy of the soil, creating a stark contrast that highlights the uniqueness of this place. Swirling shades of red, brown, violet, green, blue, purple, and yellow dance across the landscape, creating a surreal and unforgettable spectacle. Each color tells a story, a chapter in the island's rich geological history, shaped by the elements over millennia. It's as if a giant hand has scattered handfuls of colored sand, forming a mesmerizing mosaic that stretches as far as the eye can see. This natural artwork is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a reminder of the incredible forces of nature that continue to shape our world. Millions of years ago, deep within the Earth's fiery belly, volcanic forces were at work shaping the destiny of this small island. The island of Mauritius, known today for its stunning landscapes and unique geological features, was born from these ancient volcanic activities. Volcanic eruptions spewed forth molten lava which cooled and solidified over time, forming the basaltic bedrock of Mauritius. This bedrock is the foundation upon which the island's diverse ecosystems and rich biodiversity thrive. This bedrock, rich in iron and aluminum oxides, holds the key to the Seven-Colored Earth's vibrant hues. These minerals are not just geological curiosities, they are the very essence of the island's natural beauty. As the volcanic rock weathered and eroded over eons, it decomposed into clay minerals. This slow and steady process transformed the landscape, creating the unique soil composition we see today. The different colors we see today are the result of the varying concentrations of these minerals, each absorbing and reflecting light in its unique way. This interplay of light and minerals creates a natural palette that is both mesmerizing and scientifically fascinating. Iron oxides, for instance, give rise to the reds, browns, and yellows. These warm hues are a testament to the island's fiery origins and the enduring power of natural processes, while aluminum oxides contribute to the blues and greens. These cooler tones add a serene contrast to the vibrant landscape, showcasing the island's geological diversity and the intricate dance of elements that have shaped it over millions of years. The Seven-Colored Earth is not merely a random jumble of colors, it is a testament to the precision of natural processes. The different colored sands have settled into distinct layers, creating a striated effect that is both visually striking and scientifically fascinating. One of the most remarkable aspects of this geological marvel is that the colors remain separate even after heavy rainfall. This phenomenon is due to the different densities and particle sizes of the various colored sands. Despite the forces of nature, the colors stay true, a testament to the enduring power of geological time. As you stand before the Seven-Colored Earth, You'll be mesmerized by the interplay of light and shadow across its undulating surface. The colors seem to shift and change throughout the day as the sun's rays dance across the landscape. In the early morning, when the sun's rays first kiss the earth, the colors appear soft and muted like a watercolor painting. As the day progresses and the sun climbs higher in the sky, the colors intensify, becoming almost luminescent in their brilliance. And as the sun begins its slow descent, casting long shadows across the landscape, the colors take on a warm, ethereal glow. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Seven-Colored Earth is that even if you were to mix the different colored sands together, they would eventually separate back into their distinct layers. This phenomenon, which seems to defy the laws of physics, is due to the different densities and particle sizes of the sands. Over time, the heavier particles would settle to the bottom, while the lighter particles would rise to the top, recreating the layered effect. This natural process is a testament to the enduring power of geological forces and the delicate balance that exists within our natural world. Section 6, Beyond the Rainbow. The Seven-Colored Earth is undoubtedly the star attraction of Chamarel, but this corner of Mauritius has much more to offer. The surrounding area is a nature lover's paradise with lush forests, cascading waterfalls, and breathtaking views. Take a leisurely stroll through the Ebony Forest Reserve, home to a variety of endemic plant and animal species. Hike to the top of Piton Canot for panoramic views of the surrounding countryside, including the iconic Black River Gorges National Park. Or simply relax and soak up the beauty of your surroundings, breathing in the fresh air and listening to the sounds of nature. Section 7, A Tropical Tapestry. The Seven-Colored Earth is just one example of the natural wonders that await you in Mauritius. This unique geological formation, with its vibrant hues of red, brown, violet, blue, green, and yellow, is a testament to the island's volcanic origins and the natural beauty that can be found here. This island nation is a melting pot of cultures, a place where pristine beaches meet volcanic peaks, and where vibrant cities coexist with tranquil villages. The diverse landscapes offer something for everyone, from the serene beaches to the rugged mountains, making it a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Explore the bustling capital city of Port Louis with its colonial architecture and vibrant markets. Here you can wander through the streets lined with historical buildings, visit the lively central market, and experience the rich cultural tapestry that defines this unique city. Relax on the white sand beaches of Grand Bay or Trou Au Biche, where you can swim in crystal clear waters or simply soak up the sun. These beaches are perfect for water sports enthusiasts, offering activities like snorkeling, diving, and sailing, or for those who just want to unwind and enjoy the stunning coastal views. Discover the island's rich history and culture at the Apravasi Ghat World Heritage Site or the Sugar Estate and Factory. These landmarks provide a glimpse into Mauritius's past, from its colonial history to its role in the global sugar trade, offering visitors a deeper understanding of the island's heritage and its journey through time. Section 8, Chamarel, a sensory feast. A visit to the Seven-Colored Earth is not just a feast for the eyes, it is an immersive sensory experience. As you wander through this geological wonderland, you'll be enveloped by the sights, sounds and smells of nature. Listen to the gentle breeze rustling through the leaves of the surrounding trees. Inhale the sweet scent of tropical flowers carried on the wind. Feel the warm earth beneath your feet and the cool mist on your skin as you approach a nearby waterfall. Let the magic of Chamarel wash over you and leave feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Section 9. An Invitation to Paradise. The Seven-Colored Earth of Chamarel is a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty and wonder of our natural world. It is a place where science and art collide, where geological history is written in vibrant hues, and where the human spirit is lifted by the sheer magnificence of it all. If you're looking for a travel destination that will ignite your sense of adventure, spark your imagination and leave you with memories to last a lifetime, then look no further than the Seven-Colored Earth of Chamarel, Mauritius. Come and experience the magic for yourself.